Dawaj się do domu.
Severe weather conditions recently swept across the city of Rheine in North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany, bringing an intense combination of torrential rainfall, heavy hailstorms, and powerful winds. The sudden and massive storm system caught many local residents by surprise on May 29, prompting a swift regional emergency response as public infrastructure struggled to handle the sheer volume of water.
Oh mein Gott!
The environmental event developed rapidly as a large supercell moved directly from the Netherlands into the western parts of Germany. Within a very short time, skies darkened drastically over Rheine, transforming a typical late afternoon into a dramatic scene dominated by flashing lightning and rolling thunder, signaling the arrival of an intense weather system. As the core of the storm reached the city center, the rainfall intensity reached critical levels, quickly overwhelming the urban drainage systems. Streets throughout Rheine were transformed into shallow rivers as storm drains could no longer process the water, leaving local drivers and commuters temporarily stranded on major municipal roadways. Among the hardest-hit areas was the district of Escondorf, located on the eastern side of the city. In this neighborhood, the extreme downpour led to severe flash flooding, particularly near local commercial zones and underpasses, where water levels climbed within a brief period, submerging parked vehicles and halting traffic. A major incident in Escondorf involved the prominent XXXlutz furniture store near the Canal-Hafen border, which suffered unexpected structural impact. The immense water pressure from the sudden accumulation of rainwater breached parts of the building, causing water to flood the interior showrooms and forcing staff to evacuate to safer ground. Meanwhile, the northern residential district of Schotthoek experienced major challenges as rising water levels threatened numerous homes. The localized flooding in Schotthoek was driven by the saturation of the ground and the backup of sewer systems, causing water to spill onto sidewalks and seep into the lower basements of properties.
Mögen wir nicht, ne, Melissa?
Further south, the semi-rural district of Howenhorst faced a different set of challenges, predominantly caused by powerful atmospheric downbursts. The violent winds in Howenhorst uprooted several mature trees, scattered large debris across residential streets, and damaged local power lines, leading to temporary electricity outages for households.
Ich glaube, ich will nicht.
The surrounding communities of Gellendorf, Rodde, and Mesum were also caught in the path of this severe weather front, reporting transport disruptions. In these areas, the storm dropped massive amounts of dense hail, covering roads and gardens in a thick white blanket that resembled winter snowfall, making driving conditions hazardous. Local emergency services, including the Rheine Volunteer Fire Department and technical relief teams, worked tirelessly through the night to address urgent calls. First responders focused their immediate efforts on clearing fallen trees from blocked roads, pumping water out of flooded basements, and ensuring safety. Regional train networks serving the broader Münsterland area experienced significant delays and cancellations due to debris on the tracks. Commuters were advised to check digital transit apps and official government warning platforms, such as the Rheine system, to stay informed about ongoing recovery efforts. Cleanup operations and structural assessments are currently underway across all affected districts of Rheine as community members work together to restore normalcy. This significant weather event highlights the vital importance of robust municipal infrastructure and the dedication of local emergency personnel during unexpected environmental events.